Hey there, thank you for watching. I want to give a shout out to everyone who has supported me on this Acrylic Asylum painting channel, and I hope it was helpful, and I hope that those of you who did follow along were able to learn a lot and have a lot of fun and success. This is just an announcement to let everybody know that I'm stopping my channel. I will leave it up, but the truth is YouTube is not very profitable in the art niche. It's probably the smallest piece of the puzzle or piece of the pie when it comes to why people go to YouTube. People mostly go there for like finance, investing, gaming, how to lose weight, cooking channels, that kind of stuff. Art isn't really that big, and for those that are big, they're making it somewhat okay, but they're not making it huge like gamers are and like these other channels, just because that's the nature of the way it is. And so it was fun. I did enjoy teaching, and I have to unfortunately say that I'm going to move on to bigger and better things with my time and energy. And again, I want to thank you all so much, and happy painting to all of you.